Let's go.
On Caleb.
Morning, we're back at Lowe's here in Killeen, Texas. It's another day. Lowe's, Home Depot, they don't have a special yet. Normally before the summertime they'll have a special, 3 or 5 for 10, but not right now. No, so they're at still $4, $3.98 a bag right now. But we're loading up. Got a job to do on Copper's Cove. Gotta head up. We got tools for days in here. Tools. Figure if I get a dead day, I'm gonna do a door lock in on our house. Got all this food this morning. So the art of laying mulch, there's really no secret. Clean your area, open your bags, or wherever you got your mulch at, and just spread it out. Just make sure it's all even everywhere you go. Throughout the whole entire area. Come back with your water hose, spray it in, that's it. And we're gonna do this for this entire job. All the way through, all the way around. Clean from this, that'll be it. Got my guy here trimming the bushes, the trees, and that's it. Landscaping business owner, I am constantly tired. I gotta stay up overnight and do videos, edits. This stuff has really helped me. Caffeine, full of it, sugar-free, tastes good, and bolts of vitamin B12, B6, L-theanine, all of that good stuff. Check it. All right, guys, so when you're landscaping, it's very important when you're trimming these kind of bushes and shrubs, if you can, put them in this. But however, put down a tarp, whether it's black or blue, put it down so you don't have this problem. We had this problem this morning, so I got to come back through here and pick up every single one of these individually. But to save you a step, put down a tarp before you start trimming. So this stuff falls on the tarp and doesn't fall into your flower bed and your mulch. And then you got to come back through here individually and pull out every single one of these, which I don't mind, it happens, but we all learn. I honestly, I love what I do. This doesn't bother me. But yeah, to save you this step right here, just put down something before you start trimming your bushes and shrubs. If you have mulch down here, if you don't, or you don't really care about it, just let them fall and decompose in a couple months into the ground. Other than that, like I said, save you a step, put down a tarp or something, and then you can always go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, get these paper lawn bags that go on the curb, and these are designated specifically for trash guys to pick up. As long as they're not over 50 pounds and they're closed off, they'll take them. So when I'm finishing up a landscaping job or a flower bed project, the very last step is always getting the water hose plugged in, and then like this right here, spraying in the mulch so it compacts down. Spraying up anything that's up here, the bugs that get stuck up here, any mulch or your fingerprints, spraying it in, pushing all this stuff back so the sidewalk looks cleaned off, it looks sprayed off. Everything has a wet look, a pretty look, and your flower beds just pretty much start looking brand new. So I always recommend, a lot of guys don't spray in the mulch, spray out the sidewalk, they'll use a blower. You can use a blower if you want to. I always say you can use that, come back with water hose, push off all the dirt, so the patio, the walkway's all clean, and then you also spray it in the mulch. So the color dies down, it looks pretty, it looks clean, and just looks brand new. I mean, it just looks a complete difference compared to this right here that I haven't got it yet. It's just a world difference. So always clean up your mess. Clean up your mess, make it look pretty, thank your clients, and go home. That's really about it. Alright guys, hoping my camera's not too blurry, but that's a wrap out here in Copper's Cove, Texas. Beautiful town, beautiful neighborhood. This morning what we did was trim all the bushes, all the shrubs, get all the weeds out. Went and had about 20 bags of Texas native organic hardwood mulch. Mulched all the flower beds, came back, sprayed off everything, cleaned the mess. Big thing on clean up your mess, but this was a quick one this morning, Saturday. Everything's taken care of. These trees are pretty cool, but we also got these ones off and touching the side of the house on both of them. And like I said again, sprayed off everything, cleaned the mess. I'm big on presentation. Make sure your homeowners and your clients, their yard looks nice, their patio is cleaned off. All they gotta do is come out here and look at it, and that's it. That's a wrap this Saturday morning out here in Copper's Cove, Texas. If you guys need anything, reach out. Sorry my phone's a little blurry, but I appreciate you guys.